Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to tell you today about something I got here. These are these Hyra casters for your chairs. If you're buying these gaming chairs or just about any desk chair, usually standard chairs have an 11 millimeter shaft on them. You could buy a cheap caliber on Amazon if you want to measure yours just to check, but it's a small investment. Even if you get the wrong size, you can send them back to Amazon. So I'm an Amazon affiliate. If you buy from this link, you will help support the channel at no added cost to you. I would greatly appreciate that. So this set costs less than 20 bucks. The wheels are bigger. They're on ball bearings on the stem, and there's bearings on the wheels, which are nice rubber. Like I said, they're a larger diameter. They glide over the floor, cracks, or carpet much better, and your chair will be so much more movable and comfortable to sit in and use. So I just wanted to show you these. That's just a quick heads up. I'm going to put the link in the video description and in the video. So you should really try these guys. Once you get them, I think you'll be a believer. I put them on every chair I've had. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you again, and I hope you tune in. Please give a like and subscribe. It shows YouTube somebody's watching, and it helps us not get buried in the algorithm. Thanks again. Take good care of your chairs, take good care of your families, and take good care of the ones you love. And take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.